Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader. It's Thursday, the 22nd of April. These are the charts of the day. Starting alphabetically as usual, AIG, American International, had a strong surge over the last 90 days after breaking its downtrend, reversed in February, popped in March, consolidated for 3 weeks, low volume ebb at the apex of the coil, broke out in early April and has been edging higher with a bit of a consolidation in the last several sessions. Today, it jumped to 235 to close at 43 and a quarter, just a little bit off the high for the day, and traded the biggest volume in several sessions. Looks like the stock has more to go. 47 short-term target, 54.5 intermediate-term target. Aspen Biopharma, APPY, also had a beautiful follow-through today, with volume increasing and surging. The stock has moved from about 2 and a quarter to 365 in the last 3-4 sessions. Big volume today. The stock did back off late in the session, but still closed up 48 cents or 17%. Now, there is overhead resistance in this zone just ahead, but I think the stock eventually either consolidates and breaks out or will continue its move here to get up to the 4.5-5 zone and my shorter-term trading target. AUO, AU Optronics, also broke out across a 1-month consolidation range. Yesterday, it picked up 48 cents, another 80 cents today, or 6.8% on 11.5 million shares, the highest level in about 3 months. Secondary, the initial target is at the January high, up around 13 and a quarter, and beyond that, I'd have a target around 16. ENCO, Encorium Group, which exploded in March, backed off, exploded again early April, formed a little bit of a pennant, and then popped 2 weeks ago, had been backing off until today when it jumped back 72 cents, 18.5%. Looks like a new move may have been initiated. My short-term trading target is 6.5, intermediate target at 8.5, 9. FMD, First Marblehead, financial services, credit services company, has broken out of a big basing pattern. Double topped in March around 315. And then today, over the last couple sessions, has taken that out and surge on heavy volume today, reaching 401 before backing off a little bit. Still up 40 cents, or 11.5% today on 1.7 million. Now that's by far the biggest volume we've seen on First Marblehead, going back quite a ways. I'd have to say about a year. So a significant day today for that. And looking at a weekly chart, you'll see overhead resistance around 485.90. That's my short-term trading target. If that's taken out, perhaps something around 6. Up next is PCBC. It's Pacific Capital Bancorp, which jumped 31 cents today. But you can see that the key is that it had a big spurt in March, coiled, broke out, flagged, and has been running all week here, reaching, as I said, 445 today. That's the highest level in about 10 months. There is additional resistance up around the 570 area, my short-term target, and secondary target up around 7. Huntington Bank Corp, which we passed by, HBAN, also a member of the regional banking groups that have been running lately. You can see the move here from 370 to nearly 7 today. But more importantly, the lateral price resistance was taken out yesterday. It goes back almost 2 years. And the secondary target is in sight around the $8 level. That's what I'm looking for, and that's our short-term target. Next we have Transglobe, TGA, strong little independent oil and gas company that has been motoring since early March, having moved from just under 4 to 739 is high today. Steady increase, and today and this week volume has been tremendous all week. As the stock continues to motor high. Significance of today's move is that a multi-year highs going all the way back to 05 that were taken out. And next up we have potential target up around the 9.5 level, my short-term trading target. And lastly is Xerox XRTX, which I've been liking all year. Stair-stepping higher after this big Wedging pattern broke out in March, ran for a few days, it backed off and consolidated for 3 weeks, broke out again at the end of March, consolidated for another few weeks, and today looks like it may be breaking out here. So a short-term target at the top of the internal trend line, lateral price resistance up around 24, 24 and a half. And beyond that, looks like Xerotech's long-term target reads somewhere in the mid-30s, maybe even high 30s. That's it for today. There's some additional ideas for you, and tomorrow, good luck with your trading. We'll talk to you on Monday.